All right, part of what we're going to talk about today is prepping the house for the cleaning and beach pressure wash. What we like to do, here's an example of a stained door. And you spray a solution on that stained door, you could actually ruin it. So we like to make sure it's covered completely, had it taped off. There is a door cam, ring bell. Make sure that's protected. Any outlets on the house, on the home, and then the little puppies that are barking at us. Want to make sure that they're inside or that they go outside before we get started, so they can have their little potty time before we start. And then any delicate plants or shrubs that are in front of the home, we like to make sure we have them covered. I'm going to do this. I'm going to clean this entire porch area and then move those plants over. But I don't want to make sure they're safe and they don't get hurt by the solution. So when you get beach pressure wash, you get a pressure washing company that understands how to prep a house, how to prep a home for cleaning, so you don't have a disaster like a ruined door or some of your delicate plants dying. We'll make sure to take care of your house, and we'll do it the right way. There you go. Little stage prepping here at Beach Pressure Wash prior to doing this home. Hopefully that you learned something from that. All right, let's get started. We gotta get to work.